Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. We have a beautiful Sea Ray blue hull you'll be able to see through the pictures, and then we upgraded the engine to the 200 in white. This is the V6. 4-stroke, very quiet, lots of torque, great for all your skiing capabilities, which we have the ski tow bar right here, and just a great layout that we're going to go through quickly today. I'm on the back of the swim platform right now, so you have some walk-through swim platform availability. We have sea deck in the stone color to match our stone interior color, so it looks fantastic, complementing the Sea Ray blue on the outside. And then we did this boat with a bimini top to give you maximum shade coverage when the bimini's out, but then get all the sun you want with the bimini retracted back like this, and then great for your low clearance storage options or fixed bridges like Banks Channel. So right on the back we have a very nice sunpad area, and then a walk-through transom, storage underneath here, and then your batteries and switches will be back here as well. And then walking down into the cockpit, you'll have really comfortable deep seating down here, very nice bench, and then we have the full filler in to give you the really nice lounging on this ability, and then the port side reverse and forward lounger. This can be taken out to give you even more room for all your friends and family sitting on the back aft. And then you have another nice seat on the starboard side to give you some maximum seating back here, which is a really nice jump from the 190 SPX to the 210 SPX. Coming through, we have the beautiful curved windshield aboard here, and great visibility from sitting in the cockpit seat to sitting up on the bolster. You can be above the windshield, and then sitting down in the seat, you'll be very comfortable out of the wind and the elements. Then coming forward, we're gonna have storage here, and then a big ski locker underneath, and then really nice, comfortable lounge seating up for 2 people up front. And then there's an optional filler cushion with a back windscreen to create a really big sun pad up front, and then a separate anchor locker up on the bow. So again, this is a quick overview of our 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. My name is Chris Honig, and I'd love to get you out in the water soon. Please give me a call at 910-256-8100. Hope you all have a great day.